Okay, so the first problem in this chapter, in this module, involves the Lewis structure diagram. Here you can see is SCl4, which is sulfur tetrachloride. So basically, the first step we take in drawing the Lewis structure here is number one, counting up the elements, or taking the elements and counting up their number of valence electrons, which you can see we have totaled here. And so first you want to set up, and your least electronegative element goes in the center. And as you look at the periodic table, you can see that sulfur is further away and less electronegative than chlorine, so chlorine goes around the outside. First thing you do is set your shared electron bonds with your chlorides. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 valence electrons being used, so now we're down to 26. Our second step here is to fill these outer shells with electrons. There's enough valence electrons, 24, to fill all 4 with 6 more valence electrons. So the Cl now has its octet fully full. And what we see here is that we have 2 additional electrons, valence electrons left over. So what do we do with those valence electrons? Well, in step 2, since we know that sulfur can break the octet rule, it can accept those 2 valence electrons as an unbonded pair on the sulfur. So now we have 0 valence electrons left, and all of them satisfy what they are trying to achieve. The chlorines with their outer shell filled, and the sulfur breaking the octet rule, having a total of 10 electrons. So the total number of valence is 34. The electron domain geometry is triagonal bipyramidal. We can figure that by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which equals the triagonal bipyramidal in the seesaw, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bonded pairs and 1 unbonded pair, which gives us the seesaw. Thank you.